Children, I hope you have gone through my previous video, and today we will continue further. Children, you have already studied about haloalkanes. Today we will study about haloarenes. Let's start with preparation of haloarenes. First method of preparation is through electrophilic substitution. Benzene C6H6 reacts with chlorine or bromine to give chlorobenzene or bromobenzene in presence of Lewis acid catalyst like FeCl3 or anhydrous aluminum chloride. Reaction with iodine is reversible in nature and requires oxidizing agent like HNO3 or HiO4. We discussed this at the time of haloalkanes. Okay. Fluoro compounds are not prepared by this method because fluorine is highly reactive. Haloarenes can also be prepared from diazonium salts through Sand-Meyer reaction, in which C6H5N2Cl, it is reacting with HCl in presence of copper to give you chlorobenzene plus nitrogen, or it can react with HBr in presence of copper. Of course, in both the reactions heating is involved to give you bromobenzene or nitrogen. So this way through diazonium salt haloarenes can be prepared. Now, as you can see over here, the replacement of diazonium group by iodine does not require the presence of cuprous oxide or copper as catalyst. Directly in presence of Ki, when N2X combines with Ki, it gives you C6H5I and N2. C6H5N2X combines with Ki to give you C6H5I and nitrogen. Alright, so this is the method of preparation of haloarenes. Now we come to the physical properties. First, let us discuss about the melting point and the boiling point. For the same group, melting point and boiling point decrease in the order. Aryl iodide has the highest melting and boiling point. Aryl bromide has lesser than that, then aryl chloride, then fluoride, and finally benzene. For the same halogen atom, the melting point increase with increase in molecular mass of aryl halide. Heavier the compound, more will be the melting and boiling point. In case of isomeric dihalobenzenes, the melting point of para isomer is higher than that of ortho and meta isomer. Next property is solubility. Haloarenes are polar molecules, but they are insoluble in water because they cannot form hydrogen bond with water, and hydrocarbon part is also large. They are soluble in organic solvents. Next we come to chemical properties. The first property is of electrophilic substitution. In such reactions, the hydrogen atom of benzene ring are replaced by other groups or atoms. Now, halogen atom is ortho or para directing due to resonance, but due to minus I effect of halogen atom, haloarenes undergo electrophilic substitution reactions slowly as compared to benzene. Now, some reactions are given over here. See, when chlorobenzene reacts with chlorine in presence of anhydrous FeCl3, then you get 1,2-dichlorobenzene or 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Now 1,2-dichloro is minor and 1,4-dichloro is major. So major means its quantity is more compared to 1,2. Same way, when chlorobenzene reacts with HNO3 or H2SO4, then nitration takes place. So you get Cl, NO2, C6H5Cl and NO2. Here also plus this. So you're getting two types of compounds, 1-chloro 2-nitro or 1-chloro 4-nitro benzene. In this also 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene is major and 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene is minor. When chlorobenzene reacts with concentrated H2SO4, sulfonation takes place. You get 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid or 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid is major and 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid is minor. So these are the electrophilic substitution reactions. Next type of reactions, they are called as nucleophilic substitution reactions. In this, the first reaction is Dawes process. This is substitution by hydroxyl group. So when chlorobenzene reacts with NaOH at 623 Kelvin temperature in 300 atmosphere, you get C6H5ONa plus. When further it reacts with dilute HCl, NaCl is removed and you get phenol, C6H5OH. This process is called as Dawes process. Replacement by amino group. 2 atoms of chlorobenzene, they react with 2 ammonia and Cu2O at 475 Kelvin and 60 atmosphere pressure to give you aniline, 2 molecules of aniline plus Cu2Cl2 plus H2O. Similarly, chlorobenzene C6H5Cl in presence of NaNH2, sodium amide, and liquid nitrogen at 196 Kelvin gives you aniline C6H5NH2 plus NaCl. Haloarenes also react with metals. 3 types of reactions are here. First is Fittig reaction. In Fittig reaction, chlorobenzene reacts with 2 molecules of chlorobenzene react with 2 molecules of NaCl in presence of dry ether to give you diphenyl plus 2 NaCl. The next reaction is Wood's Fittig reaction, in which chlorobenzene reacts with 2 molecules of Na, sodium, and CH3Cl, methyl chloride, in presence of dry ether, so you get C6H5CH3, this is toluene, plus NaCl. And next is reaction with magnesium. When C6H5Cl reacts with Mg in presence of THF, then it gives you C6H5MgCl, phenyl magnesium chloride, which is also called as Grignard's reagent. Okay. Next chemical property is reduction. Now reduction mein the chlorobenzene gets reduced by hydrogen in presence of nickel or aluminium and NaOH or LiAlH4, lithium aluminium hydride, to give you benzene plus HCl. So these are the chemical properties of haloarenes. And this finishes your chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes. Please go through all the videos and study the chapter, all the questions and all which are given in the book. Go through them and try to solve all the problems. Okay.